Here's one thing that I want you to do to really be able to determine what softness is for you at this current level of your life. Because here's the reality: you have to establish and create softness now in order to get more softness later, in order to get this soft life that you want to manifest later, right? So, one thing that you can do that is so easy that will act as an initiation into greater softness, a soft life and manifestation is, ladies, take a spiritual bath, right? You're already taking baths and spiritual baths. You already know all about this. But I'm going to give you a song to play while taking this spiritual bath, right? Here's what happened to me. This was about 2 years ago, right? About 2 years ago, I just was taking a random regular spiritual bath that we always take, right? But there was something very special and unique happening in this time. I think I was still doing the Sacred Sister Circle at this time. And I was thinking about the ways that I wanted to level up, the ways that I wanted to grow, et cetera, et cetera. And I was experiencing a little bit of anxiety surrounding that growth and that expansion. Because here's what you have to understand: as you are expanding and growing, there's going to be some fear of that new level, right? That's a lot of times there's a cord connected to your expansion, which is why self-sabotage happens, or regression happens, or not taking that leap of faith happens, right? So you want to really understand where you are. But I was in that kind of space and I was like, okay, Spirit, guide me. Let me know where I'm supposed to go, what I'm supposed to do. I get in a spiritual bath and I just press shuffle on my phone. And the song that came out was What Love Can Do. I played this song for the Sacred Sister Circle, or one of the groups, one of the spaces that I was in. I played this song, What Love Can Do. And the song is such a divine transmission. Y'all already know I channel through music, get a lot of my downloads through music. So if I'm telling you a song is going to get you there, this song is going to get you there. And what I want you to do with it is I want you to take a spiritual bath, preferably at night. Light you a candle or two, put you some essential oils in the bath, definitely burn you an incense. You want to have all the elements: fire, water, earth, air, right? Hopefully you already have like a plant in your bathroom. The plant kind of grounds you spiritually. The incense will act as the air, which is basically an invitation to God, an invitation to your higher self to enter into the space. Water, this is the cleansing energy. Water is the releasing energy. It's the opening up. It's the, I'm allowing myself to be open and receptive to the download or to the information that God needs me to know now in order for me to transform, transcend, be renewed, etc. Put a check or a got it or a yes in the comments if you're picking up what I'm putting down so far about this process, why it works, okay? I want to make sure that y'all are getting it because I want y'all to get it right. I want you to get it good, and I want you to utilize it. So you set the tone, right? Now, you already know in your spirit what it is you are going to God for clarity on.